Hey, happy Groundhog's Day. Yeah, this is February 2nd. It looks like we got another 6 weeks of winter. Yeah, we got winter weather moving in. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. I'm going to answer some viewers' questions. Hello, welcome back to Southern Oregon Safaris where the buffalo roam. I'm not at the ranch right now. It's like I said in the bumper, it's Tuxapawny Phil went and saw his, that little critter saw his shadow, so he headed back down in his burrow for another 6 weeks. So I think I'll delay starting my seeds this year in my garden over at my homestead. As you can tell, I'm not on the ranch right now. I'm actually I had to run down to the laundromat to take care of some big laundry items for my wife. So we don't have the facilities at the house to be able to take care of these items. So that's why I'm here, and I'm taking this opportunity to answer some viewer questions on the safari, on the animals here at the safari. So couple of things. Remember, these are animals. These are not humans, and they're treated with kindness and gentleness and respect and dignity. We have Hayden, who is a proprietor of the ranch. They take in animals. Some of them are rescue. Some of them used to work in show business. If you've watched our show for quite some time, you could see videos on Hayden and I talking about our history in filmmaking. So Hayden's pretty much retired, and occasionally, on rare occasions, the animals will work on some project, but not all the animals. So as far as question goes, one of the questions recently was the drone videos, aerial videos. I will refer you guys to drone companies that I use for filming. I hired out of Eugene. He's a certified licensed drone pilot and filmmaker, and I hired him and did some work for me, and that work ended up becoming airing on our reality TV show that we're in, that my family and I are in. Now, I live across the street from Hayden, and we do a show for Homestead Rescue on Discovery Channel and Animal Planet. Our first original episode was filmed by Raw TV out of London, England, and they contracted with a drone team out of Pennsylvania. They came out, spent a couple of days on our farm, and they did some aerial footage. And so I can't refer you guys to them, but I could also refer you to a local talent agency or film agency that I work with doing commercials and promo videos and other things in filmmaking, because I'm an actor. I'm an associate producer, executive producer of motion pictures also. I've done 4 of them now, and we've got another one coming up, but that's a whole nother story. You're gonna have to go over to my channel at Pine Meadows Hobby Farm to see my talk on the current movies that I'm involved with. But as far as the drone footage, I also referred to Nick Alexander Productions. They do drone filming also. So as far as the drone shots, to answer your question, yeah, just refer to Nick Alexander Productions or Alexander Kasman. Yeah, it's Alexander Kasman. And I can't say much else. We've answered a lot of questions already because we get not a whole lot of the same questions on occasion. I'm able to answer pretty much all your questions because I produce the show, I film the show. Hayden and I just co-host the show. There's some changes coming, so you guys got to tune back in and watch for those changes. I'm not going to tell you what they are because they're going to be a surprise. And hopefully in a couple of weeks Hayden will be back, and we can get Hayden back on camera, and we can go and maybe give some special features and talk more about other things that have come up that I can't talk about. I'm not at liberty to tell you guys because, like I said, I'm the co-host, Hayden's the host, and I just wanted to get some content out there for you guys to enjoy and kind of get updated on what's happening. Anyway, I'm Jerry. This is Southern Oregon Safaris, where the buffalo roam. Please stay tuned to more videos. You could do that by subscribing, clicking that bell icon. That alerts you to new videos as I upload them. Give us a thumbs up, click that share button. Sharing our videos on your social media platforms helps us out. Remember, be safe, always be kind, and maybe when it dries out a little bit, I'll get some more content out for you guys to see some more animals and animal antics. Okay? Bye-bye now.